Hello beauties, welcome again back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be making this remedy for you to regain your womanhood. This I'll be adding something into groundnut water to make you fight infection as well. So in case you are new, you have not subscribed, kindly hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. So this remedy is just very effective. Groundnut water, or you can call it peanut water, will help so much to take care of you inside there. So you want to tighten up, you want to regain womanhood, you want to get rid of infection. This is all you need. So you want to know this ingredient I'll be adding into groundnut water. You want to know when to use it, how to use it for better results. Just keep watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, and also share this video to everyone. So let's go straight and make this remedy for you to regain your womanhood and also to help fight infection. So here we have groundnuts. It's also known as peanuts. So groundnut here is so very important in regaining womanhood, and also I'll be adding something into it that will help to make you treat infection finally from your body. So we are going to be making use of 1 cup of groundnuts. As you can see it, here we have 250 ml of groundnuts, and this is so very important. Groundnuts are known as peanuts, as I said earlier. Very healthy. It's packed with proteins, minerals, and vitamins. It has tightening and healing effects, helping to heal the body and restore skin's elasticity. Okay, so regaining womanhood. So this is so very important. I made a video about using groundnut water to regain womanhood. That was months back. So this particular one, I'll be showing you how to make the groundnut water and also something to add into it to make it very, very effective. So the first thing you are going to do is to select the bad ones, pick it out from the good ones. As you can see, we don't really have much of the bad ones. So I'll just go ahead and transfer the good ones into a clean bowl like this. What you have to do is to wash it very well. So this, we have the fried peanuts. You can go ahead and make use of the raw peanuts. They are all very effective. Okay, so for 1 cup of groundnuts, you have to pour in 1 liter of water, that is after washing it. Okay, you pour in 1 liter of water for 1 cup of peanuts. Make use of warm water or just normal water. Okay, so after that, I'll just set it aside and show you what you can add into it to make it very effective. Second ingredient we have here is clove. Clove here is super effective when it comes to treating infection. It possesses a strong antifungal activity. It's antibacterial and also antifungal in removing itchiness, discharge, and burning sensation from the body. Gets rid of odor from down there and make you to smell so fresh. Your down there will be so well tighter, smell fresh and very healthy with this. So adding it into the peanuts will make it so very effective in treating infection. So what we are going to do is to get the peanuts. Okay, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of clove. Okay, this is a clove stick. Just transfer it into it like this. Yeah, you can equally make use of clove powder. So this is just like instant. Okay, because it will not take time for this to soak. Okay, but this can take more time to soak, but they all work the same. So after adding your clove into the groundnut, the next thing you have to do is to cover it like this, Yeah, I'm going to leave it on like this for 24 hours, and after 24 hours I will come back soon and show you how it's going to look. So here we are. After 24 hours it's going to look like this. You can see the color. So you have to soak this, okay? Many people always ask if they should, in the previous video on groundnut water to regain womanhood, they ask if they can boil it and use it. The boiling is okay, but it's best to soak it, okay? Soaking it is more effective, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do is to mix it very well, That is after soaking it. So it's time to strain it out. You have to get another clean bowl like this and a strainer. You can see it. This is a very powerful way to tighten up and remove infection, itchiness, any kind of itchy skin down there. So this will also help to stop excessive discharge, whatever you have down there that makes you to feel so uncomfortable. So here we have. The next thing you have to do, you can store this in a can and keep it in the refrigerator, or you can just bring out the one you want to use. So before you store it, you just have to bring out the one you want to use. Just transfer some amounts into a glass cup like this, and this is packed with so many vitamins and minerals that will nourish you, supply your body with enough nutrients that will help to keep you healthy, keep your skin looking so good, and this will help to tighten you from the inside, get rid of infection, pelvic infection, any kind of smelling discharge will be gone. So you have to take 1 glass cup in the morning and 1 glass cup at night, okay? So in the morning, anytime you visit the restroom, or at night, whenever you visit the restroom, you just have to bring out some amount of this liquid. Use it to wash down there, to keep down there very clean and with no infection, no odor. So this will help to freshen you down there, and this will help to treat you from the inside. This remedy is a very powerful one that will help to make sure you are always smelling so good with no infection, okay? This remedy is for anybody. In the previous one I shared, though I didn't add any clove, people always ask, they use it if they are not giving birth. Ladies, this remedy is for everyone, as long as you are not a virgin, okay? If you are a virgin and you have infection, you can be drinking this particular one, okay? You can still use this to wash down there without inserting, but if you are not a virgin, you have to make use of this, okay? And it will help you a lot. It's not for only those that are giving birth. All right, so if in case you are pregnant, you can make use of this. Clove is very healthy and it will not cause any harm for the baby. Groundnut water is super healthy also. This is how to use this. You can store the remain in the refrigerator, or you store it somewhere close, and you'll be taking it every day for best results. So this is all for now. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. In case you have not subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell as well so you get notified when I upload videos. I'll see you in my next video.